Good evening. Thank you for joining me in this post-market report for the 29th October 2021. So today's market report is that it's continuing its losing streak. So yesterday we had a huge fall on the market and today we were expecting a bounce back. We saw that the markets were very volatile and they did continue to lose some ground today. Extreme volatility. India VIX rose very sharply in the morning and then it came back down again. Banknifty closed at 39,115, losing another 400 points from yesterday's close. Nifty was no better. It closed at 17,671, losing almost another 200 points. And Sensex ended 670 points lower to be at 59,306. So all in all, it's been a very lackluster performance, and we were hoping for better today, considering that we're heading towards festival season here. Anyway, let's look at the all-time highs. Escorts, McDowell's, Ultratech Cements, Maruti, ICICI Bank, Birla Corp, Cipla, they all did well. And the big stocks, Reliance, Infosys, and HDFC Limited, right? All the three were under great selling pressure. We could attribute about 100-point loss in Nifty just to these three stocks. That's how badly they were hit today. There was some buying in the pharma and auto sectors. Canara Bank went up. The metal stocks were in recovery mode today. IT stocks did kind of okay. We're also looking at results, SPI results to be released on Monday, which should again impact Banknifty. We're also going to be seeing some auto sales numbers coming in next week. So I think the expectation is that there's a small reduction in the two-wheeler sales, and that four-wheeler sales are kind of affected by the semiconductor shortage. So we should be looking forward to seeing those numbers. Truck sales are expected to have gone up. So these numbers should be impacting the market as well next week. Tata Motors, Ashok Leyland, Maruti, these are the stocks we'll be looking out for if you're looking at these numbers. We had high volume in Tata Power, again Reliance, SBI. Indigo Airlines came out with good results, so did Dr. Reddy's. But looking at the broader market, we're not really sure why we should see such high volatility and why the market should be going down, because there is no news per se that the market is acting upon. There are no global cues, and we don't have any other data to say, okay, this is probably why the markets went down today. And that's kind of not comforting. It's not comforting to know that the market has been acting without any input data, so to speak. Of course, we will attribute much of this to FIIs, foreign institutional investors. They're continuing their selling spree. We have the FII data come in today. They have sold about 5,142 crores worth of stocks today. Thankfully, the domestic investors have bought 4,342 crores, without which we probably would have seen a number that was probably a little bit worse today. So yes, FIIs are continuing their selling, and that is definitely hitting the market hard. So anyway, on Monday, I expect a full recovery of the markets. Let's see how it goes. Have a great weekend, and you take it easy.